If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. We about to check out Badvillain here live on Twitch. What's up, y'all? If you haven't been on Twitch when I'm live, usually it's I don't stream almost every day, but it's usually around 6 p.m. PST. But speaking about that, I am taking I might have to not stream on Thursday and Friday and Saturday. My bad. A lot's happening right now, but I'll keep you guys in the loop because there's some things happening. You know what I'm saying? I have to take the opportunities. Badvillain Zoom. I heard good things about it already. It's already in 4K. Captures on. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. What is happening? Is this like a... Hold up. Hold up. Oh. Okay, glasses. Oh, it's gonna be a throwdown?
Pull up with the girls, so let's go. Let's go.
Oh. Oh, is that General Monster glasses? Ooh. Okay. Damn. What an explosion of an introduction. Woo! Hey, hey. Okay. Ooh, okay. With that choreo? Let's play it. Let's play it. No more stopping. Hey, hey. Hey. Breathe in, breathe out. What time is it? Ooh, that goggles look crazy. That beat go hard too. Woo! Hey. Ooh. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Ooh, that space thing. Oh, they're so sharp. Okay. Zoom gotta zoom. Breathe in. Breathe out. Ooh, that's crazy. What the hell? Bro, there's so much happening. But what do you expect from a K-pop music video? Ooh, the outfits are crazy too. Hey. Woo. What? Okay, slay. Zoom. So does the word breath kind of sound like zoom in a way too? Because that's what it sounds like. Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Dang, their outfits are kind of crazy. Ooh, them lalas hitting. Okay. What? So a lot of things are like after like Yeonjun's Gummo Gum. Is it? Yeah. Or anything. There's a lot of gum like stuff happening. Like, especially they're pink. Oh, and she gave birth back to the... She deflated it and inflated it. The power. Okay, Badvillain. Ooh. Is it just a single or is there an album, chat? Big Planet Made. I was about... Because somebody asked, what is their company? It's Big Planet Made. All right, big up to them. Yo, hype it up in the chat. Appreciate them. Oh, my God. Them girls killing. It's a single, I think. It seems like... Let me double check with it. It's a MV, obviously, but I think it's just a single. I don't. They would have pushed it as an album as well. The company needs to promote this more. Like literally, it's the perfect first comeback. Oh yeah, it's their first. Holy crap! Hold up, the budget's crazy too. off the Bizat though. Got the whole like title just like floating in air as we're going past it. Fire. There's a SWAT team. It's a whole like battleground. What the hell? Basically they taking over. Hey, I bring my crew, you bring your crew.
Pull up with the girls, so let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Gotta breathe in, breathe out. 시작부터 bolo, let's go. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe out. That's a crazy intro though. Ooh, into a platform. That's fire. What is that like? Yeah, yeah, yeah. The little. Yay, yay, yay. Woo! Breathe in, breathe out. Hey. Hey. Oh, did she just melt the can too? Yeah. Woo! Zoom gotta zoom. The chorus hits so hard too, especially the beat. Who made this beat though? Like the song. Let me see the credits. Oh, it doesn't say produced by. Oh, written by Panameco. Oh, snap. Damien and N Soul. Okay, I see you, Panameco. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.